everyone, this is Jen. Long time no see, and I'm coming back. And are you still remember me? Today I will introduce some popular and basic product for you. And first, I will introduce some conventional fast connectors for you. And do you know the fast connector is very hot in this year? And the first is this type. This type is our number one type, and the length is 60 mm. And you can look the under it with a screw, and you can open this, and you can see it's with a gland, and you can open like this. You can open like this. And this one is SC UPC, and we also have SC APC. And before I tell you the differences of between SC UPC and SC APC, but you cannot see the flu and with the camp, and so you just need to look this part. If this part is blue color and it's SC UPC, and this part is green color, so it's SC APC. And this fast connector, it's faster assembly, and it's simple operation, and can repeat for assembly for more than 50 times. And this is the same type, but the length is 15 mm, and you can see this is 60 mm, and this is 15 mm. It's long, and this is short. Until we know introduce customer for more than this type 55 mm. We know introduce customer more for this type short type. Do you know why? Later, I will show you a picture. You can see this picture, and this is 60 mm, and you can see because the size is too long, and it's very difficult to install, and the window is very small. It won't cause the great light decay. And this is 55 mm length, and you can see this size is small, and it's very easy to install, and because the window is bigger enough, this will make low light decay. You can see, so now you can see the differences. So now we introduce 55 mm short type to customer more. And another type is this type. This is our number 4 type. And the length is 50 mm, and this is SC UPC, and we also have SC APC. and this you can see the, and it's also with a screw, and we can open this type is different from the before one number one type. Yes, the length is different, and you can see this part. You can see this part. This part is also different, and you can see because you can see this can open like this, but this number four type cannot open. This cannot open, and this can open like this. So the operation is also different. And for the operation, some customer may cannot install and the operator, it's no problem. We can offer you a specification and a video that can teach you how to use this. And if you don't know how to use them, you just need to according to the specification and the video. It's okay. And next, I will introduce some special type of fast connectors for you. You can see this type. This is one type or one special type. You can see this. The special type is this one you can see. And another this is another special type. You can see this is SCAPC. This is SCUPC. This is also another special type. You can see this type and the SCUPC. This is another type, special type. You can see. The last special type is this type. We sell this type more to Brazil. This type more to Brazil. SCAPC and SCUPC. And for the packing, for the conventional fast connector, we usually pack like this. 10 pieces fast connectors packaged in this blister box. And 10 pieces this blister box we package into this white small box. 10 pieces blister box to this small box. That means 100 pieces fast connectors packed in this. small box, and we will purchase 2 pieces, the fixed length device, and 2 pieces operation guide. Also, we will purchase this small box, 100 pieces fast connectors with 2 pieces the fixed length device and 2 pieces operation guide were packaged in this small box, and some 1,000 or 2,000 pieces fast connectors we packaged in one carton. And before we introduce e-pack shipping ways for you, and for these fast connectors, we also can send by this way. And we usually package this 10 pieces to this blister box, and some 10 pieces blister box, 100 pieces fast connectors to this OPP bag, and the total 420 pieces fast connectors we will package so the weight will not more than 2 kilograms. If you need more details, please leave your message, and we can offer these fast connectors, send more information for you. And the fast connectors is finished, and next I will introduce one basic product for you. Yes, it's patch code and the pigtail. Do you know the differences between patch code and the pigtail? And one simple things between differences between them is patch code. We have 2 connectors, these 2 connectors, and the pigtail we just have 1 connectors. And for patch code, so we have 2. For the texture, we have 2 material. Yes, one is PVC and another is LSCH. We have 2 material, and the fiber comb, we have 3 type of fiber comb. We have G672D, G67, G657A1, and G657A2. We have 3 type of fiber comb. And the diameter, we also have 3 type of. We have 0.9 mm and 2 mm and 3 mm. And if you need the price of pigtail or patch code, you must tell us the length you need, because we have 1 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter, and some customer need larger meter like 20 meter, 60 meter, 40 meter, even if they need 100 meter. So if you need the price of the patch code, you must tell us the length you need. And next, I will introduce same patch code and the pigtail same type items. This pigtail. You can see the connectors is SC-APC. This type is SC-APC, and you can see the diameter is 2.0 mm. Yes, this type is SC-APC. Single model, 2.0 mm pigtails. And this type is, you can see the cable is white color. And this is 0.9 mm LC-UPC single model pigtails. And this is same, but the connectors is LC-APC. So this is LC-APC pigtails. And the LC patch cord and the pigtails more used in connector SFP and module. Yes, more usually used in connector SFP and module. And this is 1.9 mm single model ST. This connector is ST-UPC pigtail. And the ST patch cord and the pigtail more used in fiber string frame. More used in fiber string frame. And this is 3 diameter and the single model. This yellow color is single model. And you can see there are 4 connectors. This type of duplex connector. This is LC duplex single model patch cord. And next, this patch cord is 2 mm. And you can see there are just 2 connectors. This is simplex, and the yellow color is single model. This is LC simplex single model patch cord. And this is SC patch cord. Yes, yellow color is single model, and this is 3.0 mm. And there are 2 connectors. This is simplex patch cord, and the SC patch cord more used in router and the switch. Yes, more used in router and the switch. And the next is this 2 types. This is FC patch cord. This is 3 mm, and this is 2 mm. This single model, and you can see 2 connectors is simplex patch cord. FC more used in ODF and digital frame. You can see this FC patch cord more in ODF and digital frame. Next, you can see this The cable color is different. This is OM SAM. If you see this color, this is OM SAM patch code. And the connector, there are 4 connectors. This is duplex patch code. And this color, this orange color. This is multimodal patch code. Yes, if you see this orange color, if you see this orange color, this is multimodal patch code and the duplex. And also this is different because this is not just SC, FC, ST. You can see this is SC to LC. The connector different. LC to SC. And we also have this. This is ST to SC. Connector different. ST to SC. And the last is this. The connector is also different. This is SC to FC. This is FC to SC. Okay, so today the projector is finished, and we repeat and we overuse it two connectors. Our number 1 fast connectors, and this is 60 mm, and this is 55 mm, and our number 4 type fast connectors is APC and SCUPC. And our special fast connectors, and our multimodal patch code, WAM-SAM, WAM3 patch code, single model patch code, this, and our pigtails, ST pigtail, LC APC pigtail, LC UPC pigtail, and SC APC pigtail. And if you need more information, you can leave your message. Also, you can contact me this information, my WhatsApp and the WeChat. You can add me. Now, really need to finish. See you next